Welcome back to Confident Vision TV. Are you tired of chasing fleeting online trends for making money? As our digital world constantly changes, each year introduces a fresh surge of online trends, each heralding its unique opportunities. These trends blaze like a comet across the nocturnal sky, offering enormous profit, but only to those who spot them in the early stages. Chasing these trends is thrilling, but equally draining and uncertain. As soon as one trend disappears, you're rushing off in pursuit of the next big thing. It's an endless cycle that keeps you on your toes with no promise of sustained success. But imagine if you didn't have to stay on top of this relentless game of trend chasing. What if you could construct a business that's flexible and adaptable, capable of shifting to whatever is trending at any given moment? Instead of continually adjusting to new trends, wouldn't it be ideal to have a business that can pivot to whatever is currently trending? Software as a service, or SaaS, has been a lucrative field for many, but things are changing. As we step into the brave new world of the digital age, the landscape of opportunity is shifting beneath our feet. SaaS, which has long been the domain of those with specialized technical skills, is being revolutionized. The key player in this revolution? No-code tools. No-code tools are systems that allow users to create software without needing to write a single line of code. They're transforming the way we think about software development, breaking down barriers and opening doors for anyone with an idea and the determination to bring it to life. This is the democratization of SaaS, a shift that is putting the power of software creation into the hands of the many, not just the few. Imagine for a moment a world where you don't need a computer science degree to build an app. A world where your innovative idea for a software solution doesn't have to gather dust in the corner of your mind because you lack the technical skills to make it a reality. That world is here now, thanks to no-code tools. But the democratization of SaaS doesn't stop there. It's not just about making software creation accessible to everyone. It's also about changing the way we approach the software market. In the past, the focus has been on mass-market apps, those that target a large user base and require significant marketing efforts and large teams to succeed. However, the rise of no-code tools is changing this paradigm. It's leading to the emergence of Micro SaaS apps, software solutions designed to solve niche problems. These apps target smaller, more specific markets, and they don't require the same resources as their mass-market counterparts. They're smaller, more agile, and they're perfectly suited to the new, democratized world of SaaS. In this new landscape, there's room for everyone. Whether you're a solopreneur looking to carve out your own piece of the digital pie, or an established business seeking to pivot and adapt to the changing times, the opportunities are there. You just need the right tools, the right approach, and the right mindset. This democratization has led to the rise of something new, Micro SaaS apps. This is where the future lies, in the hands of those who are ready to seize it. So what exactly are Micro SaaS apps, you may ask? Well, let's dive right in. Micro SaaS apps, or software as a service applications, are nimble, targeted software solutions that address specific niche problems. They're like the Swiss Army knives of the digital world, each tool designed to perform a particular function with precision and efficiency. Imagine you're a small business owner who needs to manage your team's schedules. You don't need a bulky, expensive software suite with a million features. You need a simple, streamlined solution that does one thing and does it well. That's where a Micro SaaS app comes in. It's tailored to solve your specific problem, without the superfluous bells and whistles. One of the key characteristics of these apps is that they don't require mass marketing or large teams to operate. They are lean, mean, problem-solving machines. They're designed to serve small, specialized markets, so the focus is on quality over quantity. They're not trying to be everything to everyone. Instead, they excel at serving a particular group of users and meeting their unique needs. This approach allows Micro SaaS apps to be highly efficient and effective. They don't have to cater to a wide audience, so they can be laser-focused on solving the problem at hand. And because they're not trying to be a jack of all trades, they can be masters of one. Moreover, the development of these apps is often streamlined and cost-effective, thanks to no-code tools. This enables anyone, even without technical skills, to create their own Micro SaaS app. You don't have to be a coding whiz or have a team of developers at your disposal. You just need a good idea and the right tools. In a world where new trends are constantly emerging, Micro SaaS apps offer the flexibility and adaptability to stay relevant. They're not just about jumping on the latest bandwagon. They're about finding a niche, filling a gap and providing a valuable service. These tiny apps are targeting small markets, but their impact can be anything but small. They're a testament to the power of focused, strategic problem solving. And in the realm of digital solutions, they're proving to be a force to be reckoned with. In 2024, we're likely to see trends like AI companions, but the major trend will be Micro SaaS. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, software needs become increasingly universal, crossing borders and industries. This universal demand opens up a world of opportunities, especially for developers and agencies that have the flexibility to adapt and pivot towards trending technologies. Imagine, if you will, a bespoke software development agency. They've been building websites and custom apps for clients, but they're noticing a shift. AI companions are trending. Instead of sitting on the sidelines watching this trend pass by, they pivot, leveraging their expertise to create AI-driven Micro SaaS solutions. In this scenario, the development agency isn't chasing the trend, they're adapting to it. They're using their existing skills and resources, but applying them in a new, innovative way. This is the essence of the Micro SaaS trend. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but rather about identifying new ways to use the wheel to solve niche problems. Software needs are universal, and they're not going away. As we move further into the digital age, these needs will only become more pronounced. And with each new trend, be it AI companions or something else entirely, there will be a corresponding need for software solutions. Micro SaaS is perfectly positioned to fill these needs. With their focus on niche problems and their use of no-code tools, Micro SaaS apps can be developed quickly and affordably, without the need for a large team or mass marketing. And the beauty of it all? These apps generate recurring income through monthly subscriptions. It's a win-win situation. Customers get an affordable solution to their problem, and developers get a steady stream of income. So, as we look ahead to 2024, it's clear that while there will be many trends to watch, the major trend will be Micro SaaS. It's a trend that's not only profitable, but also sustainable, adaptable, and accessible to anyone with a good idea and the drive to make it happen. So how can you capitalize on this trend? Building Micro SaaS apps involves a two-step process. First, it's about identifying the pain points or niche problems that need a solution. This involves comprehensive research and understanding of your target market. It's about knowing what keeps them up at night, what issues they grapple with daily, and what solutions would make their lives easier. Imagine a small business owner who needs to manage their social media, but can't afford to hire a full-time social media manager. Could there be a Micro SaaS app that helps them schedule posts, track engagement, and analyze performance without the steep learning curve or the hefty price tag? That's the kind of problem solving we're talking about. The second step is about bringing those solutions to life without needing to write a single line of code. With the advent of no-code tools, it's never been easier to create a functional, user-friendly app. No-code tools are platforms that allow you to design and build an app using visual interfaces, with simple drag-and-drop features. They're easy to learn, affordable, and they democratize the app development process, making it accessible to everyone. Using these tools, you can create your Micro SaaS app, test it, tweak it, and launch it to your target market. The beauty of SaaS is that it's subscription-based, so you're not just selling a product once, you're building a relationship with your customers, providing them with continuous value, and generating a recurring income. Remember, your Micro SaaS app doesn't need to cater to everyone. It's about finding that small market that urgently needs your solution. It's about solving their problems so effectively that they're willing to pay for your app month after month. So, don't be intimidated by the thought of creating an app. You don't need a degree in computer science or a team of developers. All you need is a keen eye for identifying problems, the creativity to conceptualize a solution, and the courage to bring it to life using no-code tools. With the right approach, these apps could generate lucrative monthly subscriptions. To make the most of the Micro SaaS trend, you have two options. Firstly, you can venture into building Micro SaaS apps yourself. This is an exciting route, especially for those with an entrepreneurial spirit. You'll get to identify niche problems, devise solutions, and see your ideas come to life. The beauty of no-code tools is that they are accessible and user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech whiz or a coding expert to create an app. With some dedication, patience, and creativity, you can build a Micro SaaS app that addresses a specific need and appeals to a targeted market. But what if you're not keen on building apps yourself? Well, there's a second option, starting a productized agency to build apps for clients. This approach involves assembling a team of no-code experts who can turn your clients' visions into reality. Think of it as a bridge. Your agency connects those who need specialized software with the no-code tools that can create it. This path can be incredibly rewarding, as you'll be helping others bring their ideas to life, while also capitalizing on the Micro SaaS trend. Now, you may be wondering, how can you go about either of these options? The good news is, there are plenty of resources and strategies available through an online academy. These platforms provide comprehensive courses that guide you through every step of the process. You'll learn how to identify niche markets, how to use no-code tools effectively, and how to monetize your Micro SaaS apps or services. The beauty of these academies is that they cater to both beginners and those with some experience. So whether you're just dipping your toes into the world of SaaS, or you're looking to expand your existing knowledge, there's a course tailored to your needs. Whichever path you choose, there are success stories to inspire you. These aren't just theoretical concepts. People have built successful businesses by either creating their own Micro SaaS apps or by starting productized agencies. Their stories serve as a testament to the potential of this trend and a source of motivation as you embark on your own Micro SaaS journey. Micro SaaS presents an exciting and profitable opportunity. This isn't just a statement, it's a reality. The beauty of Micro SaaS lies in its accessibility, making it a playing field open for anyone with a good idea and a little bit of resourcefulness. The barriers to entry? They're lower than ever before. No longer does one need to be a technological savant to create a software solution. With the rise of no-code tools, anyone can get involved. All you need is an understanding of a problem and an innovative way to solve it. These tools have democratized the world of software, putting the power in your hands. But what makes Micro SaaS truly stand out is its strategic use of current interest. We live in a fast-paced world where trends come and go, and keeping up can be a daunting task. However, it's also a world where needs are universal, and problems are waiting to be solved. This is where Micro SaaS shines. It allows developers to pivot and focus on whatever is trending, creating niche software that caters to specific needs and riding the wave of current interest to success. This isn't just about creating software, it's about creating solutions. Solutions that people are willing to pay for, and not just once, but on a recurring basis. This potential to generate recurring income is what makes Micro SaaS a lucrative opportunity. Imagine having a small customer base, each paying a monthly subscription for your solution. It may start small, but with each satisfied customer, your base grows, and so does your income. Micro SaaS isn't just an opportunity, it's a revolution that has the potential to change the way we approach business and entrepreneurship. It's all about identifying niche problems and creating affordable solutions that people need. It's about empowering individuals to become creators and problem solvers, rather than just consumers. With the right resources and approach, anyone can succeed in creating niche software solutions. The potential of Micro SaaS is immense, and the time to capitalize on it is now. So are you ready to take the leap? In summary, Micro SaaS offers a unique and profitable opportunity for solopreneurs or agencies. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've explored throughout this discussion. We began by acknowledging the transient nature of online trends. While these trends can offer fleeting opportunities for profit, they often leave us in a perpetual chase, always on the lookout for the next big thing. Instead of this constant pursuit, wouldn't it be better to create a business that can adapt and amidst changing trends? That's where software as service, or SaaS, comes into play. It's been a lucrative field for a while now, but the game is changing. The rise of no-code tools is democratizing SaaS, opening the gates for anyone to get involved regardless of their technical skills. This shift has sparked the emergence of Micro SaaS apps. These are applications that solve niche problems and target smaller markets. They don't require mass marketing or large teams, making them an ideal venture for solopreneurs and small agencies. We dove into potential trends for 2024 like AI companions, but our prediction is that Micro SaaS will be the major trend. Software needs are universal, so a software development agency can pivot to focus on whatever new tech is trending. Building these Micro SaaS apps involves identifying niche problems and using no-code tools to create affordable solutions. This approach could generate lucrative monthly subscriptions from a relatively small customer base. hour of an AI writing assistant app shows that it's already a profitable business model. To capitalize on Micro SaaS, we suggested two routes: build the apps yourself or start a productized agency to build apps for clients. We have resources and strategies available for both paths through our online academy. Micro SaaS presents profitable opportunities through its low barriers to entry. With the help of our online resources, we hope to see more people succeeding in this exciting new field. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Confident Vision TV for more insights.